Okay, you have to ask, what is this wild thing? So this is a Picante men's bodysuit, and it's not all in frame. It's hard to see everything, but this is a hot one. It's very unique, and in the front it is black with kind of see-through circular holes. Very soft. And what's going on here, it's a deep front V shape. So it's like a lot of chest in it. And it has kind of the standard pouch. And the cool thing about this one is, this is brilliant, it has these rings that make the bodysuit adjustable. So for me, I'm tall and I wear like a large t-shirt, but for underwear I wear medium. And I'm always mixed, kind of a mixed thing. If you get a large bodysuit, it's going to be loose, or if I get a medium, it's going to be uncomfortable to wear. It's going to pull a lot, not comfortable to wear in the lower area. But with these adjustable pieces, it's brilliant. It makes it fit, not pull and tug. So this is a medium. And so you got a lot of chest, you got the straps. On the back, it is all straps. It's going to be hard to see, but it's just the string. It's just the side pieces, which also adjust, slide. Okay, so just on the back, 100% G-string. And this is made by CandyMan, 92% polyamide, 8% elastane. And I think this is fun. Some people may hate it, but it's exotic, takes a good picture. That's really what it's for, to me. Takes a good picture, kind of fun. So, who wants to see this one?